Kangaroos are iconic marsupials native to Australia, known for their powerful hind legs, long tails, and distinctive hopping locomotion. Here's an overview of these fascinating animals. Physical characteristics. Kangaroos are marsupials, which means they give birth to relatively undeveloped young that continue to develop and nurse in their mother's pouch. The pouch, or marsupium, is located on the female's abdomen and contains mammary glands for nourishing the young. They have strong hind legs adapted for hopping, with large muscular thighs and long, flexible feet. Kangaroos can hop at high speeds and cover great distances with minimal effort. Kangaroos have a unique form of locomotion known as pentapedal walking, where they use their tail as a fifth limb for balance and support while moving at slower speeds. Species. There are 4 main species of kangaroos: the red kangaroo, Macropus rufus, eastern gray kangaroo, Macropus giganteus, western gray kangaroo, Macropus fuliginosus, and antilopine kangaroo, Macropus antilopinus. Additionally, there are several smaller species known as wallabies. Habitat. Kangaroos inhabit a variety of habitats across Australia, including grasslands, woodlands, shrublands, and deserts. They are well adapted to arid and semi-arid environments and can survive in areas with limited water and vegetation. Different species of kangaroos have specific habitat preferences, ranging from open plains and coastal regions to mountainous terrain and dense forests. Behavior. Kangaroos are social animals and often live in groups called mobs or troops, which can consist of dozens to hundreds of individuals. Mobs are typically led by a dominant male known as the alpha male, or boomer, who is responsible for defending the group and mating with females. They communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations, including grunts, clicks, hisses, and coughs, as well as body language and gestures. Kangaroos are primarily crepuscular, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. They spend much of their time grazing on grasses, forbs, leaves, and shrubs, as well as resting and socializing with other group members. Diet. Kangaroos are herbivores and feed primarily on a variety of plant materials, including grasses, forbs, leaves, shoots, and fruits. They are selective feeders and will consume a wide range of vegetation depending on seasonal availability and nutritional content. Kangaroos have specialized digestive systems adapted for processing fibrous plant material, including large intestines and complex stomach chambers that allow for fermentation and extraction of nutrients. Reproduction. Breeding behavior in kangaroos occurs throughout the year, although mating peaks may vary depending on the species and environmental conditions. Males compete for mating opportunities by engaging in ritualized displays and physical combat with rival males. Female kangaroos give birth to a single offspring, known as a joey, after a gestation period of around 30 to 40 days. The newborn joey is blind, hairless, and only a few centimeters in length, and immediately crawls into its mother's pouch, where it continues to develop and nurse for several months. Female kangaroos have the ability to delay the development of a fertilized embryo until environmental conditions are favorable for reproduction, a phenomenon known as embryonic diapause.
Subscribe to TerraChannel today and start your own adventure into the heart of the wild.